Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Color Finale for color grading profiles, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Color Finale login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Color Finale dashboard. Locate the Profiles tab in the main menu. Click on the Profiles tab to view existing color grading profiles. If you want to create a new profile, click on the Create New Profile button. Name your new profile in the provided field. Customize the settings according to your grading needs. Once you have finished customizing, click the Save button to save your profile. To edit an existing profile, click on the profile name from the list. Make your desired adjustments and click Save again. You can also delete a profile by selecting it and clicking the Delete button. Make sure to confirm any prompts that appear to finalize the deletion. Explore additional options and features available in the Color Finale dashboard. Close the browser when you are done using Color Finale. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.